I've learned way too many stupid stuff from using Blender and Unity for VR chat, so I'm just gonna make a bunch of videos telling people how to do like stupid small little things that took me way too long to figure out. These, I expect you at least know enough about Blender and Unity, so this isn't gonna be like a guide for someone who's like brand new. Go look for someone like a good tutorial. This isn't a good tutorial. This is just gonna be quick for anyone who is stuck on something stupid and this is just for someone who is stuck. They couldn't find any fixes for it, and luckily they found this. I hope they find this. So I'll probably post a bunch of all of these will be really quick. I'll try to get them at least 1 to 2 minutes because I do not want someone that like who needs something like who needs like a simple fix for something to be sitting there watching like a 10-minute video. I'll probably make a few of these later. So yeah, I don't know if this thing's gonna do well. I just hope these videos just sit, and then when people search up the things they need help with, they go in there. Yeah, Unity's just gonna be for like VR chat stuff, so it'll be a scuffed guide to Blender and Unity, but Unity's for VR chat, and it'll be pretty obvious, but like people who's searching up things to do it for VR chat's probably gonna be searching up Unity, so whatever. Yeah, that's it. That's it for the introduction.